What's good, everybody? Welcome back, and I'm gonna go ahead and give an update. I'm gonna be updating you guys throughout the week of the trades I do take this week, and I'll do my best to drop them way before I get in them. But GPUSD is a trade that I am currently in. Like I said before, if I get into a currency pair, it has to be absolutely worth it. So I'm gonna explain to you why I am taking GPUSD for sales now. Coming in on a weekly chart, we are bullish on the weekly. In order for us to be bearish on the weekly, we actually need to go ahead and break this higher low point here in order for us to be bearish on the weekly. We did have a failure swing here. Price created a higher high, and then price came back and failed to create a new higher high, creating that failure swing and that first small little shift, right? Price came back and actually closed beneath this resistance, and we started to sell off. Now, looking at the daily chart, we are currently bearish from a daily standpoint. Now, in order for us to be bullish, we have to actually break above this level here. This is our daily reversal point. Now, we became bearish once we broke this higher low right here, right? So once price broke right beneath this level, this is when we became bearish, right? Boom. Well, actually, so y'all can see, and then y'all can look and see how this is a valid area where price is tapped and sold off at as well. If I just bring this over to the left, right? Now, coming in, we came back and we actually closed right beneath this resistance once support level as well. And again, probability, right? If you read the book Trading the Zone, he talks about probability. You got to trade based on probability because that's what trading is. And you have to trade what you see. Now, price did break right below this lower low, creating a new lower low and a break of market structure here. Price came back and retested this zone here. Just this right here. Price came back and retested this zone, which it shows that sellers have taken control underneath here, and price above here, buyers have taken control and bought aggressively above that level as well. Now, dropping down to my H4, we are again bearish, starting from this higher low point here from a daily standpoint. Again, look at price. We have broke in and created significantly lower lows and lower highs, and price created that engulfing. Now, I entered after seeing that engulfing counter right in the middle of this area right here, and price has significantly held this level of resistance. Price again created that engulfing, then I went ahead and got my entry. And just looking from an H4 standpoint, price has held here from resistance and taking my take profit right here. You see, when I look at my take profits, I look at where price has went previously when it sold from this level. So overall, my take profit is 31500. So this is a trade that I am currently in, and it is still fresh to get into. Dropping down to my hourly chart again, we are in a little bit of consolidation here. So we're kind of going to look probably London, New York. This trade go ahead and pop off and break down to that 3-1-5-0 area. Now, looking at the DXY was another confidence of me taking this trade. We are currently bullish from a daily standpoint of the DXY, and we are currently let me go push this here. Oh, let me adjust this really quick. This is a key level, and this is a key level here as well. So we are currently bullish, and I am looking for the DXY to reach 101.87. So this is another key basis of why I'm taking this trade as well when it comes to GPUSD. I do see us going and pushing up, very bullish on the DXY, causing this to go ahead and drop as well. So this is my analysis so far for GPUSD. I am in sales. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like the content that I put out, comment below, and I got more bangers coming for you, especially when I actually get my entry for gold. Once I get my entry for gold, I will actually record getting into that trade and showing you guys how I'm taking my positions and growing this account. With that being said, an account, I put $200 in there, growing it to whatever it becomes. If GPUSD, my profit, I think is like 170 per position. I got $2 sizes, so if GPUSD plays out, I think the 200 will be about a $500 or $600 account. So with that being said, you guys have a wonderful night, and I am out.